Hello everyone! Gagawa po kami ng Trumpets Challenge video. Ito si Kital, ini-insert niya na yung ano. While going to Baguio, we're going to Baguio! Oh my God, Era, you're not here. Tinaon talaga namin na may pasok ka, so you're not be able to come with us. So you cannot sit with us, bitches. Oh, diba? Who's the real bitch, Era? Ay, Kital? Are you the real bitch? No. So wala daw trumpets challenge walang trumpets challenge si Kital sa kanyang playlist. So yung kay Sia yung gagawin namin. So magpa-party kami. Yeah. Yeah.
Nakita tayo sa loob. Ay, saan na ako?
Nag-left ka yan. Left ka. Then, Era, kanta ka. Ano naman, Kital, Beauty and the Beat. Beauty and the Beat naman. Yeah. Sino si Nicki Minaj? Ako si Justin Bieber. Ikaw si Nicki Minaj, Kital.
Hindi ko lang import yun.
Young Money.
Chandelier na lang.
And ito si Justin Bieber. You up. And I don't wanna show you up. Ikaw. Know what you got.
Bakit ko naman dyan?
Kumanta ka,
Hindi ko kabisado yung gagi. Iba na lang pag-share natin.
Ano ba? Ano maganda? Got a party like it's ready tonight.
Chandelier.
To try and talk to me. Let me show you. Ay, happy there pala. Before you sleep. Oh, kanta ka tal. Kataas kilay. No, to the I, to the no. My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. Oh, kata. Let it go. Nah, to the I, to the no.
Ano ko tandaan ito?
No, sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Nah to the I, to the no. What you gonna say? You gonna gain. Living every word.
Dapat kasi kabisado natin yung aso sa...
Kanta ka, Not that blah blah. No.
Nagka-facial expression. Oh man, it is listen up.
Left ka. Hang your hands. Chorus! My name is no. No. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Nah to the I, to the no. My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. To the I, to the no.
No nga lang alam ko eh. Ay, iba naman.
Dance. Lick your lips and swing your hips. And all you gotta say is you need to let it go. Need to let it go. Nah to the I, to the no. No. It's no. Nah to the I, to the no. Well, untouchable. Nah to the I, to the no.